How to find a Bluetooth received files on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can find your Bluetooth received files. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is check your recent download folders. So just open your PC. And once you do so, you should find your recent files on the documents folders or the downloads folders. But if you don't find it here, you can find it on your recent files right here. But if you still don't see it, then you might want to send it again. In order to do that, just right click on your Bluetooth icon and then click on receive file. And after you do that, you can send a file from your other device. And once you send your file, it will start receiving your file. And as you can see, a file is being received. Now you have an option to browse where you want to save this file. So just click on browse and go ahead and click on any folder that you want. So I'm just going to select my desktop and click on OK. And once you do that, you can finish it. And as you can see, the file has been received on my desktop right here. So that's how you can find your received files on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.